My name is Jason Butcherite. I'm the chef de cuisine for the School of Hospitality and Business Management at Washington State University. So many times as people within the industry and outside of the industry, we get so caught up in fancy food when fancy food to me is using basic ingredients. The quality has to be there for the spices as well as the produce and the meat and all the other components of a great dish. Paprika is actually something I use quite a bit. I just feel like any spice, I feel like paprika is one of them that's kind of versatile, kind of has a little bit of heat behind it, has some color as well. I do a lot of braised dishes, a lot of grilling at home, so I'll use it as a rub, in a barbecue rub or a kind of Middle Eastern type of rub. I usually blend it with something else, but it's usually always in most of my blends I cook with. For our HBM 258 Culinary Fundamentals class, it's 80 students per semester. Here at WSU, we teach you the financials behind it. We teach you how much it costs and how to maximize your dollar at the grocery store, or if you're actually going in the industry, how to price things out. And so there's more than just the cooking behind it. It's the actual practicality of economics and how that it applies in your life. It's time to take back your kitchen.